Hi everybody, see what I got today? Yep, rolling work seat with a tool tray, and we're about ready to unbox this, Mr. R, and he's going to put it together, and I'm going to do a little review, and I'll have to do a follow-up. It's got big 10-inch pneumatic tires. It can hold 300 pounds. Woohoo, that means it holds me. All right, we'll be back for more. Oh, okay, here's an all-metal seat. Here's the numeric tires. This is the frame coming up right here.
The only plastic is...
Mr. R is going to show you.
There's a tray that goes under the seat so you can carry your garden tools.
Yep.
That's the only plastic. Everything else is metal.
Yep, that's the only plastic. Everything else is metal that you see. Pneumatic tires. There's Miss Maggie's cage. She's gone to bed for the night, because if not, she would have a hootin' time here. Oh, wow, is right. Okay, Mr. R is going to see what he needs for tools, and then we will be back. Okay, here we go again. He is putting the tray on, and that on the floor is the frame. He had to go to the garage and get some tools. Oh, can you guys hear how quiet it is in here? Oh, Miss Maggie is sleeping. I don't want to say a name too loud.
Maybe one of the few videos where Maggie don't make an appearance by barking.
That is true, Mr. R. Okay. I guess I can bring you back. We all can see what he's doing, and this way the video won't be so long, but you can see what it's all about and how to put one together. And if you have one of these garden carts, let me know, because it's durable, and there's an under-seat tray that he's putting on right now. It's a heavy-duty, weather-resistant, powder-coated steel frame. Big 10-inch pneumatic tires, and holds 300-pound capacity. Doesn't take long to put the tires away. I walked away just for a few minutes and look at him. By the way, if y'all want to know, this little love seat here, it's Maggie's and Ray's, mostly Maggie's. Maggie mandates the whole love seat. Every fur baby's got to have their space, right? Okay. We got 3 on. Boy, those tires look nice, Ray.
Yep.
Wow, I'm impressed. Ooh.
Got to make sure the valve stems are out, of course.
The valve stones are out. Okay, yeah.
The valve stems.
Oh, the stems. Okay, you tell everybody. This is very nice. And this seat also swivels. I tried it out at Tractor Supply, not Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight. Getting the stores mixed up. Yeah, at Harbor Freight today. I told them I saw the display and I really liked it. And I said, could you please take that down, because it was wired on? And they said, well, I don't think I can. I got to talk to the manager. And I said, well, if you take it down, I like it, I'll buy it. I said, but I've got to make sure I can get up and down off it before I buy it. So we called the manager, and the manager kind of hemmed and hawed. I said to the manager, I said, well, if I like it, I'm buying it. So we said, okay, cut it away. So he cut it. And I liked it. I loved it. We're going to put a rope or something so I can push it, and I could have Maggie on a leash as well. Now, I'm not sure what Mr. R, oh, can you bring it back just a little, or I've got to reposition myself? There you go, Ray.
This is a nice old style.
That is the old style seat.
Implement seat. It's all metal.
Yeah, it's all metal. Isn't that nice?
Kind of why you don't find much metal
I guess.
now.
You know what, Ray? I just thought of something. I could always buy a small round cushion to put on it, and that would make me that much higher. And then if my butt gets tired, or if it's really hot and sweaty, I won't burn myself. You know that? I think that's a great idea, and I can always put a small pillow, or I could make a pillow and put a light linen or something over it. Something cotton. Great idea. There he goes, putting the screws in. Just like that. What kind are those? What kind of screws are those, Ray?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Just regular.
Just a regular little bolt and screw.
But
Nope.
they all they all are all self-locking nuts there. That's what I'm trying to say.
Self-locking nuts. Okay. Well, that's good. That's real good. How many is there? 4.
4.
Okay, I'll bring you back after he puts those 4 in. Whoops.
Done.
Okay, here we go. This is the seat swivels. And see Ray's doing up, the seat goes down.
I'm just trying to
And
bolt
then
it
you
together.
go, okay, then you go the other way and the seat will go up.
We'll show you that in just a moment.
Yeah, he's gonna bolt it from the bottom up and then we'll get back to it. Okay, Ray's getting ready to lower the seat right now. It's all the way up. Can you see that? Right there. See how it swivels side to side? So when I'm sitting in it, when I'm at a row, I can twist to one side or I can twist to the other. See how it's going down?
Very
Look
easy.
at that. It's very easy. Okay.
There it is all the way down, I guess.
Yep, that looks all the way down to me.
Yep, right there, it just stopped.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for.
Okay, now he's gonna put it back up.
And then of course you can see how easy it goes.
Yep.
Okay, you can see it just about
And-
goes by itself, really.
And I'm 5'6", and I've got a bad left knee that's been replaced twice. So I really need something when I'm in the garden and I can't bend down. So for a head injury, I can't have my head hanging. So this is gonna work for me tremendously. So, Ray, do you have anything to add? This took you half an hour.
I don't know, I have to get tape measures. See, that's about knee high, see?
Yes, well, you're
I don't know
taller
if-
than I am. You're 5'9".
If somebody can see, but that's about knee high.
Yeah. You're getting a tape measure, you said?
I don't know.
Oh, Ray's gonna demonstrate it.
There
Okay.
you go.
There you go.
You can see, I don't know if you can see
Yeah.
the way I'm sitting.
Yeah,
I forgot swivels.
yeah, you want a swivel.
Okay.
There you go, Mr. R.
You know,
Good
my knees are
job.
kind of,
The knees
they're
are
not
almost,
up too high and they're
the
not,
knee-
they're
nope.
not real low.
the knees are almost flush,
I
flush,
think this would
flush.
be very nice for you.
I think so too. Okay, let me try it. Okay, guys, look at this. Ta-da! I can twirl around. Whoops. I'm tired. Look at this. I can go from the left side to the right side. Now I'm 5'6". You can see where this hits me almost underneath the knees. And watch me get up. Okay, we're just gonna get up. Hear my leg crunch. Look at that.
But that's what we wanted.
That's what we want.
Something easy.
And when
to-
I get down, I have a little bit of a hard time, but I can take my hands, hold the seat, and guide myself down. And there I am. Ta-da!
At least you can get off from it. That's what we wanted. And when we tried it out down at Harbor Freight, that's what we did. And we said, yeah, that's what we want.
Right. Okay, guys, you never know what's going to be on my videos. And please let me know if you have one of these. And I highly recommend these. This isn't sponsored by them. I bought it myself. And it come to $79 and some change. So have a great day, everybody. And we will see you tomorrow. Loving this. Bye now.